Sorry for the delay, guys, but we're finally back with another game of our Cold Steel Milsim Day. This is the second patrol mission.
That's us.
Good luck, guys.
Yeah. Be wary of grading coming up behind. They've had a lot of success going to that dirt mound. Hey. I see Graydon walking back there. See him? Hey, do you see him, Robert? He's right back behind. He's on the trail, right behind, maybe 30 feet behind the first TV. I just saw him walk by. Right there, see him? See him moving?
Chopper sent out to try and support our squad that went out on the patrol. They're getting held up at the tank.
Do you want me to go, Mike? Ask Scooter if you can. All right, 2 guys want to come with me.
Our guys are stuck at the sand mound. Can't get across the road, so I'm gonna go over, see if I can help push through.
I'm sending reinforcements to the patrol. They'll be coming in behind you.
Yeah.
You hit.
All right, the guy at the rocks is down.
He's on the dirt mound. He's on the dirt mound. You got guys on the dirt mound.
Coming through here. All right, let's go.
That was kind of cool. Those guys just popped out of nowhere.
Yell to Spike that we need a medic at the bunkers. I think we have like 4 guys dead there. Did we lose the other guy? Yeah, we must have lost the other guy. We only got 1 out of the 4 that were dead.
Check the tank before we walk past it?
No.
Okay, guy behind yellow. Guy behind yellow. Hey, I'm moving up, don't shoot me.
I believe this is Cooper. We shot at the tank and then he moved back and respawned at yellow. So it's going to be a rough getting him out of there. It's all open on this side.
Let's go. Yeah, let's go over here so I don't keep getting shot. Spike, we're pretty much all dead over here. There's one guy in yellow.
Fall back, use the helicopter's triage, and get back to the Alamo the quickest route.
Okay, fall back, guys. Fall back to here. Helicopter. Someone send the helicopter.
Go back the way you came. The helicopter's going to withdraw once you guys are safe.
Steve-O, hammer the shit out of them. They're at yellow. That's good. That's good. That's good. Stay put right here. Hammer yellow. Hammer. Just hammer. Hey, you guys can go back. Go ahead. Go back to the Alamo. If you're alive. Move, Steve. Hammer him again. We're getting healed. Huh? I'm dead.
Okay, now my card said I was killed in action, so I must report off the field to Scooter and get a new card. This mission was a fail. We're getting ready to set up for the last mission. So stay tuned. Don't forget to like and subscribe.